All right, guys, if we could please take your seats. Okay, Mahesh, I'm going to start with you. The first question is for you. He's dodged us last season and he refused to play. Firstly, are we going to see you play this time or no?
No, I mean, we've got 36 of the best players in the world here, so I think we'd rather watch them play.
Okay, on to more serious things. I mean, we have two new franchises this time. What would you say about paddle, the growing fan base and cementing its sort of place in Indian sporting landscape?
Look, I think everyone knows that paddle is growing very rapidly across the world, and we're very excited to be part of that growth in India. I think it's just at the bottom in India, so hopefully the World Paddle League will be a catalyst to keep growing the sport here, and we'll be part of it.
Nicely
Awesome.
done. We'll pass the mic across to Mr. Krishnan Kannan, if that's okay. Limited spokesperson. Tell us about your long-term vision for the World Paddle League here in India.
The idea is to make it one of the biggest platform in India, so that it attracts international players to come and play here, and make it local players can play. And last season we had four teams, and this season we're having 6 teams. So it's growing. So make it a big sport like cricket or football.
All right, next up, the Panorama Panthers. Mr. Abhishek Pathak, the next question is for you, if I could please. Oh, you have yours. Perfect. All right, so as we all know, the Panorama Pictures is known for its impeccable storytelling. What's the story that got you hooked to be a part of the World Paddle League?
I think the growing part of the paddle in India right now, I think it's something which everyone is keen to look at right now. I think that's something which excites us also. Looking at different story, I think paddle has a new story in India. I think we want to back it. We want to enjoy it right now. Yeah.
It is going to be a great season. There's definitely lots of action coming up.
If we could pass the mic to Ankit Agarwal, who's just next to you there. Thank you so much for being here, of course, from the Leopards. As a new entrant into the league, it's super exciting. What was the single biggest factor that brought you and wanted you to get involved this season?
I think absolutely we've, as Vedanta, been driving, looking at various sports like hockey, we've been looking at archery, we're looking at football. And for us, we're now launching our Vedanta 2.0. We're looking at next generation sports. And clearly Vedanta was looking at paddle as the next amazing sport which is growing around the world globally. So we're very excited. We're looking at how can we take the level and the quality of paddle in India and compete with the best in the world. I think to do that, we need some of the best players in the world like yourselves to come over and for all of us to learn from that. So I think amazing initiative by Mahesh and everyone else, and we're very excited to partner and make this as something that we focus on.
Well, thank you so much for being a part of the World Paddle League. Next up, my question is for the Khan Tigers. Cyril, I'm going to start with you. There's lots of celebrity football and cricket leagues. Are we going to see a celebrity paddle league as well coming up?
Surely. I think it's a sport that can be picked up very easily. It has no kind of injuries. A lot of stars stay away from season ball because they're scared of the cricket season ball. That's why when we even play CCL, we don't have the A-grade stars. But paddle is something that was, I think, germinated and started for older people that they can, rally and volley and just play the game. I was introduced to the game much later. In fact, I saw it before I heard about it, and I got hooked onto it. So I think that this game is growing rapidly, and we are a population of 1.6 billion people. So in the next 5 to 10 years, I think this will be as powerful as cricket or football.
Absolutely, and I think it's definitely one of the fastest growing sports. Now, if I can ask you a question. Okay, that's okay, I'll let you.
I want to hear from you.
Well, it was going to be a question definitely for both of you, because if you could pick one celebrity partner.
I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm here for my brother, Sohail.
We want to hear from you.
Yeah, then I should take over the league then. I don't think he will allow me.
Well, actually, the question was, and it could be both of you, but if you could pick one partner in a celebrity paddle doubles match, who would it be? Who would you pick?
Good question.
Really good question. I don't have an answer for that. Such a good question. No answer.
Hopefully, maybe just the Khan brothers, but thank you guys. Thank you so much for your time. Next up.
Okay, next up, if we can pass it to Amandeep Singh from the Game Changers Lions. Paddle is becoming extremely popular in India, of course. How would you compare the culture of the sport here with the paddle culture abroad?
Paddle is well established in abroad, international level, but now it's new in India and it's growing faster, rapidly here. That World Paddle League is doing very good job to promoting paddle in India. It's growing very fast. It's becoming like a international level. They will bring this in international level very soon. We will see. Next year we will see it will be very big paddle league.
Sounds good. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Well, next up, the SG Pipers Cheetahs. Aminder Kogi, next question is for you. As a group that's deeply invested in sports like chess and hockey, what is it about paddle that truly caught your eye?
We as a group saw an opportunity to invest in the most fastest growing sport globally, and it has tapped the youth demographics as well. So we definitely see that this sport is going to grow big. It's already there. It's seeking the Olympic status as well, and these are the main reasons we saw an opportunity to invest.
And last question before we open it up to the media out there as well, to Rahul Saxena of the Vernos Jaguars. Having been part of the World Paddle League since the first season and witnessed the league from Dubai across to India, how would you rate the growth of the game so far?
And I think the game has grown tremendously in India thanks to a lot of efforts by the Federation. And we are proud to be part of the Paddle League for many more seasons and deliver a spectacular game. All the best to the teams.
Well, you've heard from all our main men here. Now, before we open it up to the floor and the media, if we can request all of you to ask questions specifically related to sport, paddle, or the business of sport, that would be great. Thank you.
Okay, who's first out there? Who wants to ask a question? Not one person wants to ask a question. Yes.
The difference between pickle, paddle, and tennis is Salman Arbaz Sohail.
Okay, I've got a microphone. It's probably a bit easier. I might squeeze through. Oh, sorry. I blocked your shot.
I'm sure they have like mics at the back that
Here you
you can
go.
hand over. There you go.
Hello. Salman, this side. Yeah. सलमान सर सेंटर में मेरा नाम विशाल अंबानी है मैं बजूका से हूँ मेरा सवाल आपसे है सर सलमान सर सर जिस तरह खान टाइगर्स है ये क्या आपका सजेशन था नाम को लेके सर यहाँ पे सेंटर पे सो ये जो खान टाइगर्स का जो सजेशन था एंड टाइगर हमेशा से आपसे जुड़ा रहा है ये जो शब्द है और क्या ये आपका सजेशन था कि आपको लेके इस तरह से बनाया
जी नहीं ये मेरा सजेशन नहीं था ये इन्हीं का सजेशन है टाइटल यही देते हैं
सोहेल व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट इट
That is true. I mean, we genuinely, as a family, think ourselves to be tigers for no absolute reason. But there was a choice between the big cats. If you see, all the team have the symbols are the big cats, and for me, the most fascinating cat, big cat, is a tiger. So got the opportunity to name my own team, so I named it Khan Tigers.
Good question, good answer. Okay, any more questions out there? We've got microphones roaming around. Hands up. Out the back there, we've got some people. We've got a microphone there? Yes, we do. Nicely done.
Good afternoon, good evening, everybody. It's great to be part of this event. My question is for Mahesh sir. As a former tennis legend player yourself, and with several over here, sir. As a former tennis legend yourself, we are seeing several ex and current players picking up paddle right now. So do you see pickleball turning to be a mainstream sport or possibly entering Olympics in a couple of cycles later on?
You mean paddle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, people are already talking about paddle being at the 2036 Olympics. I think the speed at which the sport is growing across the world, obviously, everyone is super excited about it. It's easier for tennis players to play paddle, obviously, but it's still a different sport, right? The ball's coming off the wall, you can't put the ball away, so it's not as easy as it looks because I've tried playing. But yeah, I think, like I said, if it becomes an Olympic sport, the growth is only going to continue.
Are you going to play this week as well? Did we get an answer from you?
Recreationally.
All right, next question. Out the back there, yep. Microphone up the back. Over there. Yep, go for it.
Hello. So my questions to Mahesh sir. I hope you're... We've seen a lot of Spanish and Argentinian players here, and the racket sport, any which ways, in the larger domain has been dominated by Spanish and Argentinians. How is the Indian scenario looking like as far as the domestic scene is concerned, and when practically would you see Indian players dominating this circuit?
I mean, dominating is quite a long time away. I think the sport started in Spain and Argentina a long time before it started in India. So I think for Indians to compete at the level of the players that we're going to see in the Paddle League will take a few years. But at some point, we definitely want to add an Indian angle into the World Paddle League just to kind of boost the sport and the participation. But for that, I think, it's still a couple years away.
Great question. All right, last couple of questions. We've got a microphone there. Yes, sir. Up you get. Standing up, please.
Hello, sir. My question is to Mahesh sir, something on those lines. In the intro slide, I saw many players from Spain. So could you give us an insight of how big paddle is in Spain and Argentina?
Well, I think I think in Spain, if you discount Rafa Nadal and Alcaraz, I think paddle is actually participation-wise bigger than tennis. There are massive paddle clubs, and like I said, it's been played there for many years. I think Argentina came after that, but I think if you go through the world rankings also, you'd see a very large percentage of players from these two countries.
And there's more paddle courts in Spain than tennis courts. That's how we can assume.
Okay, 4 or 5 more questions. Yes, sir. You got one?
सलमान जी, तो क्या हम आपको भी खेलते हुए देखेंगे आपकी इस टीम के साथ में?
फार्म पर आ जाओ. पिक्किल और पैडल दोनों ही लग रहा है. अगर घुस पाओ तो देख लेना खेलते हुए.
What was the question? I don't know what you said.
Basically इसका ये है कि जैसे बास्केटबॉल है, एक बॉल है, 2 बास्केट है, छोटी सी जगह है, अफोर्डेबल है. सेम चीज़ पिक्कल पैडल, एक में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा खर्चा है क्योंकि कांच वांच वगैरह है, दूसरा एक मिनी वो टेनिस कोर्ट है. तो यू कैन प्ले, इट्स एन अफोर्डेबल स्पोर्ट. रियल एस्टेट का आपको पता है यहाँ पर क्या क्या हो रहा है, बहुत महंगा है. तो इतनी जगह तो कहीं पे भी निकल सकती है. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई ये स्पोर्ट इतना पॉपुलर हो रहा है. एक दूसरा है कि कम खर्चा है, तीसरा है कि बहुत कम इंजरीज़ हैं, स्टेमिना की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती होगी अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्पोर्ट्स दैट महेश हैज़ प्लेड. अब क्रिकेट में क्या होता है, पैड्स हैं, ग्लव्स हैं, हेलमेट्स हैं, बॉल गार्ड है तो है. अभी क्रिकेट बैट है, एक्सपेंसिव बैट्स हैं, विकेट्स हैं, बहुत बड़ा ग्राउंड है. उसके बावजूद ये स्पोर्ट इतना बड़ा हो गया इंडिया में. अब इसमें तो हर गली, हर कोने में, हर नुक्कड़ पे ये खेल सकते हैं ये स्पोर्ट. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द रीज़न व्हाई दिस स्पोर्ट इज़ गोइंग टू पिक अप लाइक रियली ह्यूज इन दिस कंट्री. वर्ल्ड में तो है ही है. अब सोहेल ने बोला था कि मुझे कि यहाँ पर आ जाओ, शायद अवेयरनेस हो जाए ज़्यादा इस लीग को. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरे आने से इसको कोई अवेयरनेस मिलेगा. इसको ऑलरेडी अवेयरनेस है स्पोर्ट के बारे में. अगर सोहेल लीग ले सकता है और सोहेल को पता है कि ये स्पोर्ट है और हमें पता है, और आयत एंड आहिल हैव ऑलरेडी कम ड्रेस्ड अप टू प्ले दिस स्पोर्ट. सो दिस स्पोर्ट इज ऑलरेडी पॉपुलर. बस.
Okay. Someone put that on social media and send it around the internet. Okay, next question. Up you go.
Hi, So my question is to Mahesh Bhupati sir. So I want to ask, what is the message that you would like to give to the budding athletes who are taking paddle professionally?
I think, by bringing events like this, I think we're just proving that paddle is a career option now. I mean, all these players who play the tour day in and day out, they're making a good living. So, till 2 years ago, I don't think many kids in India knew that. And now, paddle could be a serious option as a profession in the future.
Salman, did you want to add anything to that? Salman, you're okay? He doesn't know who's speaking. Is he going to say no? That's okay. Okay, who's next? 3 more questions. We're doing super well. Off you go.
My question's for Sohail, sir. Sir, it's a new season and a new team for you this year. What would be your key focus in terms of strategy going into this season?
See, where the strategy is concerned, I think the coach and the players are much more experienced. As he said, that I'm a new owner. I don't have much knowledge regarding the strategies. But, 2 years back when I was introduced to the sport and when I saw the sport, I was told that it's an old man sport. But when I saw my team play with the opposite team, it was incredible. And I just feel that, why is it taking so long? I fell in love with the sport very quickly. But I think with the media picking the sport up and the media being the bridge between the sport and the players which are going to start playing the sport is very important. So it's all the media which is going to convey to the people, to the other players, to the other sportsmen who have played tennis or who have played squash. Paddle is a fun game. In fact, I've got 2 children. One is 24 and one is 14, and they have switched. They used to play cricket, they used to play football, but they have switched to paddle, both of them, and they enjoy the game. So looking at the youth getting into the game, I feel that there's a great future, and I'm glad I was one of the earlier ones to get into the sport.
So basically, our strategy will be like the strategy that we have in CCL. Come all the way to the semi-finals and give the trophy away to somebody else. It's been, I think, how many seasons? 10 seasons? 11, 12 seasons? 14 seasons. 14 seasons, and we have been very successful with our strategy to give this trophy to somebody else, some other team. I hope we change the strategy this time.
Okay, 2 more questions. We have a young lady who's going to stand up here as well. What's your name?
साक्षी शर्मा.
Okay, up you get.
सलमान सर, सोहेल सर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि पैडल लीग हो गया या फिर पिकल बॉल लीग हो गया, इस प्रकार के जो गेम्स है ना, आजकल यंग जनरेशन को कम मालूम है, वो लोग कम इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं. सबसे ज़्यादा लोग सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट हो रहे हैं. अब देखा जा रहा है कि आपके भी घर से यंग जनरेशन के लोग काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड दिखाई दे रहे हैं. वो लोग खुद आए हैं ये अटेंड करने, खुद इंजॉय कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ को. आप लोगों को, आप अपने घर के यंग जनरेशन को और आज की यंग जनरेशन को किस प्रकार इनकरेज करेंगे इस प्रकार के स्पोर्ट्स में शामिल होने के लिए?
मैं कभी किसी को फोर्स नहीं करता मेरी फैमिली में कोई इवेंट या कोई फंक्शन के लिए या दोस्त को आने के लिए. लेकिन मैं जेन्युइनली एक स्पोर्ट्स लवर हूँ, और अगर मुझे पूछा जाए अगर पूछा जाता क्या मैं बड़ा होकर क्या होना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं बोलता स्पोर्ट्समैन. तो मुझे हर स्पोर्ट जो कोई भी बच्चा खेले मैं इनकरेज करता हूँ. और क्योंकि आप स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हो, जहाँ आपने स्पोर्ट्स खेलना शुरू किया, ये जो भी वाइसेस है आप उनसे थोड़ा दूर हट जाते हो, बिकॉज यू बिकम वेरी प्रिंसिपल्ड. सो एज अ पेरेंट, looking at both my children enjoying paddle, I think that is that's the growth of paddle. That's अगर आपको एक गेम पसंद आना, क्रिकेट या पैडल, अगर आपको गेम पसंद आना लग जाए तो आप फिर वो एक एडिक्शन बन जाता है। एंड स्पोर्ट्स ऑलवेज कीप्स वाइसेस फार अवे, एंड सो एज अ पेरेंट यू जस्ट फील सेफ दैट आप अगर आपका बच्चा स्पोर्ट्स में चले गया तो वो हेल्दी रहेगा।
यस,
अगर मैं कोई लीग खोलूं तो मैं गोटी लीग खोलूंगा, कंचे, मैं गिल्ली डंडा लीग खोलूंगा, इस प्रकार के लीग खेलूंगा। आबू धाबी यार टेनिस बॉल से एक दूसरे को मारते थे, चेन कुक लीग, हाइड एंड सीक लीग, चोर पुलिस लीग, मैं इन सब लीग्स में इंटरेस्टेड हूं। और फिर अगर एजुकेटेड लोग हैं, जो कि बहुत सारे हैं, मैं डॉक्टर लीग खोलना चाहूँगा।
सलमान एंड सोहेल, क्या हम आईपीएल में भी देखेंगे कि अपनी टीमें खरीदते हुए आप लोगों को? सलमान जी, आईपीएल में भी हम आपको देखेंगे कि आप टीम खरीदेंगे एंड इस तरह से आपका जलवा दिखाएंगे?
आप अपना जलवा दिखा रहे हो वहां से?
क्योंकि बहुत सारी टीमें आप लोग, सोहेल बहुत इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं, तो
नहीं, अभी आईपीएल के लिए
बहुत बड़ा
टू ओल्ड हो गए हम। आईपीएल बहुत पहले ऑफर हुआ था, उस वक्त लिए नहीं हम। अब ये भी नहीं कि पछता रहे हैं, खुश ही हैं, बहुत खुश हैं। आईएसपीएल लीग ले गया, टेनिस बॉल वाला, गली क्रिकेट वाला, वो जो हम खेल सकते हैं। ये बड़े बड़े लीग हमारे बस की बात नहीं, हम ग्रास रूट वाले हैं, यहीं पे अच्छे हैं हम।
सोहेल जी, आप कुछ?
मैं तो यही चाहूँगा, जैसे कि आईपीएल इतना बड़ा हुआ है, ये हमारा लीग भी बड़ा हो, और लेकिन जब तक ये लीग इंडियन एथलीट्स नहीं खेलने लगे, ये बड़ा नहीं हो सकता है। तो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स दैट मीडिया इसको कितना पब्लिसाइज करे, बच्चे इसको खेलना शुरू करें और उस लेवल पे आए जहाँ स्पेनिश या अर्जेंटीनियन बच्चे खेलते हैं, तो ये लीग हमारे देश में बहुत बड़ा हो सकता है। और महेश सर ने जो अकेडमी खोली है, जो हिंदुस्तान के बच्चों को सिखाएगी, मुझे लगता है कि ये गेम बहुत जल्दी हम लोग आज ही आप देख लेना कि ये लीग, ये जो गेम जो है, आप इसको बहुत जल्दी पिकअप कर सकते हो। और अगर आपने इसको खेले, अगर हमारे बच्चे अगर आज इसको खेलना शुरू करें, तो आई वोंट बी सरप्राइज क्या 5-6 साल के अंदर विल बी ऑन इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स।
तो क्या सलमान जी को लेकर आप स्पोर्ट्स पर कोई ऐसी फिल्म बनाएंगे फ्यूचर में? अगर
पहले तो इनको बिठाओ, इनसे माइक छीनो।
Alright guys, to all our friends of the media and the guests, thank you so much.
बेसिकली आपको इस स्पोर्ट में, जैसे कि क्रिकेट के स्पोर्ट में बड़े बड़े स्टार्स हैं, आप लोगों को इस स्पोर्ट में बड़े बड़े स्टार्स बनाने की ज़रूरत है। ये स्टार्स बनेंगे पैडल वाले, तो ये लीग ऑटोमेटिकली उठेगा।
Well, thank you so much, everyone. We're taking no more questions. And once again, thank you to all our team owners and representatives. We have to say now that Season 3, the countdown has officially begun, and we're really excited to see you guys for the greatest show on court.
We are starting Tuesday, going all the way through to the end of the week. We're at People up here, all of our teams and all of our players. The World Paddle League is here. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great night.
पूरा फॉग है ना। अरे फॉग जमा हुआ है। कहाँ रखा रुमाल? हाँ बेटा है ना वहाँ पे लोग चलेगा भाई बच्चा
My name is Arjun Sam. Guys. All right. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to keep both of you. And then it's a race to 6. The first 6 points, whoever the first 6 points, you kind of get into it. All right. Now here's what is going to happen. Instead of doing a toss to see who's serving first, what I want to do is one of you to count us in. This one, whoever's here's what we do. You hit the ball to each other. Whoever drops the ball uses the toss. So we have drops the ball. Let's say ये रुमाल से नहीं खड़े हैं But what you can do here is agency, right? You can start. Lovely. Remember, you are trying to make the other person drop the ball, just like that, right? So what are you going to do? You want to toss. You serve first? One serve first. Alright. So you are serving first. Remember, it's a race to 6. Whoever gets 6 points, you guys already know the rules. So if you can see. बाहर बैठो सलमान को बोलेगा बाहर बैठो He wants to feed the strong stick. I also want to know your laces need to be tied. Good eye. So that I also want to know from you, are you coaching any of the teams? Sorry? Are you coaching any of the teams? शॉट मिलता है भाई बढ़िया सकल ही नहीं देख पा रहा
भाई भैया को तो जो फुटेज मिल रहा है ना क्या बोले 2 घंटे तक छाप लिया अंदर बैठ गया जाके ये खड़ा हो गया बीच में ना
Here we go, we can start. Remember, it is a race to 6.
तो रिफ्लेक्शन ऐसा है वो दिख ही नहीं रहा ये नहीं दिख रहा ये दिखता ही नहीं है गायब हो जाता है
सामने जाते हैं
There you go. So you have 1 point. Let me remind you. So this is 6. There you go.
सलमान गया भाई ज़्यादा देर हो गया खत्म कहानी फिर आया सलमान आया
खेल लेगा भाई वो भी खेल लेगा ना शॉट मिल जाए खड़ा
Now it's getting competitive. I'll tell you. You don't have to take the sixes, right? If you not allow the 6 points, they are not getting the point for that. Keep it on the ground, keep it low, maybe a little so. Center. Go into the next serve. 3-1. You guys are now really close, halfway there.
Hello?
मोबाइल वाले चिपका
हाँ बोल हेलो अरे फिर बड़ी फोटो मिला था लेकिन क्या खराब थोड़ी लग रहा है
It has to bounce once and at least can't go directly. If it goes directly, there's no point. You have to bounce once and then if it hits the wall, then you count it.
शादी था मोहल्ला में उसमें आई थी
So you guys have 4 points, but the pros can't.
अरे उतना आप फील्ड पे थे और हम वहीं पे बैठे बैठे बना दिए और अभी भी हम इवेंट में ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं ये अच्छा लग रही है अरे तो उससे कोई दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है चलेगा तो होगा सब देख कर अच्छा ही बोला क्या दिक्कत है अरे हम लोग सब परिवार में सुन रहे हैं वैसा कोई बात नहीं और बराबर हम ये इवेंट में यहाँ ठीक है शूट कर रहे हैं बाद में करेंगे कॉल
What do you say? You get to choose a team member as well.
अरे हट ना यार ये कौन है खड़ा बीच में अरे
अरे वो मचाओ हटा यार
तो वो साइड में जाके बोल रहे हैं
सलमान आया ना हीरो बन रहा उधर
कोच बन
अरे ये सामने आ रहा है मैं उसकी तरफ से come. Anyway, there's a friendly come. Karina, we've now officially announced you are part of the Clan Tigers. Now you're representing the Ayush as well? Ayush, can we also have you in for a game, quick one? Yeah? Why not? Let's have you in as well. The players are also here. All right. We'll do a quick game with Hi. So you have a choice to make. You have Clan Tigers on the left with Sohail, or are you playing with Ayush? Yeah, of course you're playing with Sohail. Come on. So you have a team over there. You need to go on that side. Yeah. You need to go on that side. And you will get them right now.
अरे समझ नहीं रहा भाई हीरो बन रहे थोड़ा ओवर है ना थोड़ा ओवर करेगा तो मालूम पड़ेगा टाइम लाइफ में वो समझ गया था जो बता रहा था मेरे को तो मैं पूरा समझ गया
अरे
माइक उसके पास है तो ये वाला बोल रहे हैं अरे
हम लोग का नजर तो बचेगा थोड़ी
So the captain, Sohail and Ayush, closer to the net. Remember, Here's the ball. You can give to each other. Whoever drops the ball is losing. Let's go. That's me, right? Good luck. So now he gets to call. Okay. So I will survey and you decide what you do. Serve. All right. Both of you, best of luck. Remember, it is a race to 10 points now. It's a race to 10 points. Let me do one more time. Both of you. Yeah.
ब्लैकआउट हो जाता है ना ठीक है
All right. The match that we've all been waiting for. The cameras are rolling. The first serve coming up. We do a countdown. Hold on. We do a countdown. The first serve coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's okay, brother. It's okay. It's okay. It's 1 minute. We're just heating up. Right? One love. I thought you were better carrying on. You were actually.
अब आई ना ऊँट पहाड़ के नीचे
Oh.
तो भाई आराम से
It is 1 all. It's 2-1 now. Okay. I thought what are you 3-2. 3-2. He's all right. It's all level. 3-all. It's all level now. It's all level. Come back. So it gets ready to serve once again. The scores are tied at 3-all. That's what you call the top edge. Goes the other side. You guys have the lead for the first time now. You're on 4. Aisha have the lead. 4 points to 3 for Sohail as we serve once again. Didn't get the elevation, that's okay. You've lost the lead now, but it's 4-4. As you guys are getting ready to serve. 4-all. Let me remind you one more time, it's a race to 10.
कितना था
You touch that ball. You do. Get in the lead. With 5 points now, it's 5-4.
क्या हुआ आया तो
6-4.
जा रहा होगा धीरे धीरे
6-4 is where you are. There's 4 points away. And you have to clean that again. The first serve has to be clean. Let me remind you to complete the horse. Go straight to a play. 4. Nice. That's your point. 6-5. Sorry. Wait, hold on. You didn't directly over this, so that's their point. Come on here. Let the ball back. Where are we? क्या लगता है आपको पीछे से? He's not coming back. आप ठीक हो? I know you will reach the place. I'm super proud. Hold on to one of you as well. But now, thank you so much. How will you play with it? How long has she been here?
अब ऊपर से दे दीजिए ले लेते
All right, you're safe for the whole week. You're going to play some amazing games and what a way to start. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have your teams ready. I'm going to have the captains walk up to me once again. I should so he can have your
इधर
Yeah, get the ball and come to me. Now this is how we do the press. I'm going to take it off. Yes, you need to keep the balls true to each other. Whoever drops it loses the toss. Here we go. Oh, look, this is what I say, learning from the first game. That's what I call the quick learner. So I'm going to ask them, what do you want to do? You want to take sides? You want to serve or you want to serve? Thank you.